Good afternoon, everyone at PPC. My name is Nathan Cody, National Accounts Manager with Metrex Research Corporation. Thank you for allowing me to come in today to talk to you about our company, about our products, more specifically a Metricide OPA product, which is a high-level disinfectant that can replace your current product of Cydex OPA. I'm here today to also tell you that why you should choose Metrex, who we are, what we do, and why ultimately that you should convert to our product. Metrex, we have a model of protecting people. We are a leading manufacturer of infection prevention products. We manufacture surface disinfectant sprays, surface disinfectant wipes, instrument reprocessing detergents, high-level disinfectants, liquid medical waste, hand hygiene, and we also have a line of eyewear and face shields. Metrex across the country and and Canada, we do have 22 reps, field reps that offer support on a 24-hour basis. Another benefit of Metrex is that we do have an excellent R&D department and an excellent customer service department that can help you with any issues you may have, whether it's a product-related issue, you need sales literature, basically anything that you need, we can provide for you. So, why are we here today? Well, as we all know, times do change, okay? But not just times, but so do standards. And we're here to present to you our Metricide OPA Plus product and why you should convert to our product and choose Metrex. Metricide OPA, basically a main benefit of our product is that it does achieve 32 more reprocessing cycles over the competition. By doing this, though, we do maintain the same stability, safety, and materials compatibility that our competitor offers as well. Our product will increase your operational efficiency, which we will talk about in a minute, and offer a cost savings to your collaborative. A major study, a comparison study that was conducted that we use on a daily basis to talk to our customers about is our white paper, which was headed by Dr. Norm Bruckner, who was one of the leading doctors that helped manufacture Cydex OPA about 20 years ago. What he did in this study was a comparison study using custom ultrasonic machines, Pentax, and Olympus scopes. And what he did is that every day during the 14-day reuse period, he had a load of instruments that were covered in organic soil, ran them through the cycle at 25 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. What he found out, and what is the huge benefit of our product, is that our Metricide OPA Plus achieved 74 reprocessing cycles, whereas our competitor only achieved 42 reprocessing cycles. And what this means to your facilities is that you'll be able to run the machines a lot longer within that 14-day period, getting more scope reprocessing done. And what that does is that it frees up time over text. They don't have to change out the solution on every 10 days, 11 days. And what that does is frees up their time to do something else, to help the doctors, to help clean more scopes. Just makes them more efficient and lowers your operating costs. Now, why should you choose Metricide OPA? What are the advantages? Well, one, you can use it as a manual reprocessing, high-level disinfectant, or you can use it in your AAR machines. For manual reprocessing, you would put it, soak your instruments for 12 minutes at 20 degrees Celsius or room temperature. If you use it in an AAR reprocessing machine, if you heat it up to 25 degrees Celsius, you can reprocess the instruments for only 5 minutes. Our Metricide OPA Plus does have a slightly higher active ingredient, 0.05% higher than our competition, and what that does is it allowed us to get to that 74 reprocessing cycles, okay, during that 14-day reuse period. We talked about the 32 more reprocessing cycles and how that can benefit your facilities. Another added benefit that we have is our test strips. One benefit of our test strips is that it does read 33% faster than our competition. Meaning, our test strip, after you dip into the solution, you only have to wait 60 seconds to read the strip, whereas our competition, you have to dip it in and wait 90 seconds. So there's a 30-second difference between our product and our competition, and what that does And if you bring it out and say you do 30 scopes a day, that saves you 15 minutes of time where your nurse or your lead tech can be doing something else more productive instead of wasting your time waiting an extra 30 seconds for the test strip to change color to give you a positive or a negative read. The other benefit of our test strips is that they do have 66% more product in each bottle. We have 100 test strips per bottle, whereas J&J Cydex only has 60 test strips per bottle. So meaning you don't have to reorder product as often as you would with our product. Some additional support documents that Metrex has to offer. Obviously the white paper that we talked about, which is the comparison study between Metricide OPA Plus and Cydex OPA. We have an FDA 510K letter, which specifically states that Metricide OPA is substantially equivalent to Cydex OPA. We have numerous sales literature from sell sheets to educational material. We have wall charts that you can place in your dirty room for the endoscopy, or if you're using it in sterile processing department. We have charts that people can refer to for reprocessing of instruments. We have compatibility letters for your instrumentation and your equipment. And we also have MSDS sheets and technical bulletins that we can provide to you. In closing, why you should choose Metrex. I already mentioned that we do offer the corporate support, which is the R&D and customer service, the field support, which is reps, and our clinical support, which is the educational material, the sales sheets, the 510K letter, the white paper, and so on. Most recently, some success stories we've had. In 2010, Metrex converted all the Mayo clinics across the country, in which that basically came out to be just about $1 million in OPA sales in one account. In 2010, the fiscal year 2010, our sales of OPA exceeded $6 million, which is a huge growth compared to when we launched it back in 2007. And some awards that Metrex has received on a national level. In 2009, Owens & Minor did award us with the Pinnacle Vendor of the Year. In 2010, we were our high-level disinfectants, which include the OPA, was named the best price commodities product for innovation. Also in 2010, Premier awarded us with the Supplier Performance Award. And most recently, in 2011, we were awarded a single source agreement for our high-level disinfectants on the MedAssets contract starting July 1st. And also in 2011, MedAssets did give us the Bronze Supplier Recognition Award. Lastly, what we do at Metrex, we work closely with our distribution partners, both on a national level and on a local level. So when we are going about to convert a customer, we let our distribution partners know that is what we're working on. If this does close, here's the volumes. They get everything ready on their side, so when you do decide to convert, the transition goes as smoothly as possible. Thank you very much for your time. Does anyone have any questions? I look forward to speaking to you soon.